My name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, what can my probation officer make me do while I'm on probation? Now, if you've been convicted of a crime and in lieu of some sort of jail sentence, a judge has allowed you to be on probation, there's going to be some sort of probation conditions. Usually those are handed to you whenever you sign up for your probation. Always first consult them. Now, I will tell you that judges give a very wide latitude to what a probation officer is allowed to ask you to do. But if you consult your probation terms and conditions, the agreement in which you signed, that's going to lay out a general sense of what the probation officer can do. A lot of it's going to depend on what crime that you were convicted of. For example, say you were convicted of a DUI. If you're convicted of a DUI, a probation officer may be able to ask you to do drugs and alcohol counseling. Maybe ask you to do, first of all, to do a drug and alcohol evaluation to see if you have a problem. Maybe able to ask you to do the victim impact panel to make sure that you understand the gravity of the situation. They can make you do random drug and alcohol testing. There's a whole host of things that a probation officer can make you do. Usually those are in your agreement, but if they're not in your agreement, again, a judge is going to give you wide latitude to what a probation officer is allowed to ask you to do. Another example, say you are charged with a theft and you're convicted of the theft and placed on probation. The probation officer may ask you to take some sort of anti-theft class. Again, he can also ask you to do random UAs, report monthly, pay your fines, things like that. If you think that a probation officer is asking you to do something that isn't required by you, the first thing you need to do is consult your probation agreement. The second thing you need to do is contact a competent criminal defense lawyer. Take your probation paperwork to your lawyer and see if the probation officer is stepping outside of the bounds. If something like this happens, feel free to contact my office.